But students, I'm going to explain you the unique nature of copper and manganin, which is an alloy. So you see that copper is a metal and manganin is an alloy. Both are of the same length and having the same thickness. Even then, copper is used for electrical transmission, sorry, not for heating electrical devices. That means electrical appliances for heating purposes, copper is not used. In place, manganese is used for the devices which are used for electrical heating. Yeah, appliances are made of manganese for electrical heating devices. In that case, what is the reason? The reason lies that copper produces very less resistance. Its resistivity is very less, and that's why it performs as a good conductor. And so, for electrical transmission, copper wire is used. But in the case of manganese, which is an alloy, its resistivity is 25 times more than that of copper. And so, when the resistivity increases, the heating effect of electrical devices are performed very nicely, and so for that purpose manganese is used for making devices for heating purposes. This is the main reason, and this is the unique nature of copper and manganese. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.